Root Sciences is the global leader in the distribution of equipment and support services for processing facilities in the cannabis and hemp industries, representing premium extraction, distillation, and other post-processing technologies. However, we are also in the unique position of being much more than just equipment distributors. Backed by years of hands-on experience in both growing and processing, our knowledge base as a team of practitioners and process engineers is unmatched in the hemp and cannabis industries. Working alongside our suppliers and manufacturing partners, we have specifically tailored our equipment to the hemp and cannabis industries with honest and accurate throughput rates. For Root Sciences, the sale is just the beginning, as we aim to nurture a long-term partnership with all of our clients. After equipment is delivered and installed, our training and after-sales support are where the long-term value is added. Furthermore, we are always just a phone call or an email away whenever support is needed. We also offer extended service and maintenance packages to keep your equipment in top condition and minimize the risk of downtime for your operations. As your partner, we have your back.